Yo, what's good, guys? Your boy just got home. House looking a little crazy. Don't mind the background noise. Our mom and dad are watching their Filipino shows. But my shoes got delivered here. So where they at, boy? Trying to hide them from me or what? Oh, right here. Yes, sir. Uno, dos. Oh yeah, baby. There they are. 2 boxes. Should I unbox these now or tomorrow morning? Okay, show me what you're working with, boy. Pop's got the OG Jordan jacket on with the Nike logo right there. This is actually his too.
Yep.
It's actually his. The one fire piece he actually saved. Yeah. You know it's a good day when it's the weather's good enough to throw a beanie on. Your boy's excited. It's beanie season, aka cozy season. Look what I got right here. I got the fire. I got the Cinnabon right there in the box. And then I got the 2 Nike boxes. Those are the Nike Sacais. God, I keep feeling all these yellow lights. The 2 Nike Sacais, the black one and the pine green. Both size 11. And I'm gonna unbox them. I don't know where. Probably at the shop. Yeah, probably unbox it at the shop or at home tonight. But we'll see. Yeah, I'm about to drive to the thrift right now, so let's keep this consistency going. Let's go, baby. Size large. I feel like there's like a large in like kids. Crazy Tommy jacket, but look at that. 45. And I found this vintage San Antonio 1989 Maracas tee. Probably gonna pick it up. It's only 99 cents. Yo, I just found these Jordan 13s altitudes and then Untold Truth Nike Dunks. Tommy bag. And then this is crazy. I've never seen this before. Made in USA Majestic Dodgers jersey in the green. All patchwork too. For sure scooping everything except these. I don't think I'm gonna scoop these. Ricky Martin on the Winterland tag. 1999 tour tee. Pick this up, $2.99. Living La Vida Loca. Yo, this is pretty fire. San Francisco 49ers, Coca-Cola. Corduroy. Strap back. It's got like a little zipper on the strap. For sure compliment. Yo, what's good, guys? I'm actually on the way to the shop right now. Once again, like I said, there's a Goodwill on the way, so I'm gonna stop there. I try to always make a stop at this Goodwill every time I go to work, just because it is like literally on the way. So I'm gonna pop in and just see if I can find something real quick. I'm gonna pop in for like 10 minutes, so let's go. Excuse me. Yeah, this Polo Sport backpack. Goodwill.
Good morning, Goodwill shoppers. Have a fresh rolling rack coming out. Don't forget the color of the week is white.
Yeah. What's good, guys? Good morning. Decided to wake up early before I go hit the thrift to do a little unboxing. Like I said, I got both pairs of the Nike Sacais. For some reason they're in like they're the same size, but look, the boxes are like 2 different sizes. Kind of weird, but okay. Let's unbox these. Do I have anything to cut this with? Perfect. Boom. Scissors. My bad if my voice sounds all raspy. I literally just woke up, washed up, and threw some clothes on. Right. So I don't want to ruin the box inside, so I'm going to be a little careful. Not too careful though. The receipt, the shoes right here, This one is the pine green. I'm trying to take out the whole thing. And there's a shoe right here. And they wrapped it up. Oh. Hey. And these are actually pretty dope in person. Look at that. So clean. Pretty fire shoe. Should I pull out the other one? Yeah. I'll just wrap it all back up when I'm done. So here's the pine greens. Let me cover my face so you guys can get a better look. Comes with two laces, obviously the ones that are on here already, the white and the black. I actually didn't realize it's like, you know how a lot of stuff on this shoe is actually double? There's double laces on it as well. You can look closely, you can see that. But yeah, overall, fire shoe. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these or I'm gonna sell them yet, but yeah, let's open the other pair. Here's the second one. Trust me, when I posted this on Instagram, everyone was like, dude, you won 2 of them? So the story with it was, I woke up, entered the raffle on my phone, and I was like, should I enter it on the Boo Boo's phone as well, or should I just leave it just on my phone? I thought it would be like increasing my chances if I did it on her phone, but I decided not to because I had a very good feeling about it, so I didn't. And ended up winning 2 of them. But yeah, here's the second pair right here. Same thing, same box. This one is the black pair. To be honest, if I wanted to win one of the 3, I would have wanted to win the white pair. I would actually rock those. These compared to the pine green ones, I'd probably go with these. Let me take out the other one. And they smell good. You guys know me, I rarely buy shoes like for retail, so I always just wear whatever I pretty much find in the thrift, or if I'm wearing slides or Crocs. But yeah, so here's the black pair right here. As you can see, double laces again. Very fire. These I might keep. I don't know yet. But these are fire. This one comes with gray laces. An extra set of gray laces right here. Both size 11. You see the tongue right there. It's got the 2 different like tabs on it. And then what else is something I never noticed about the shoe? That's pretty much it. Everything is kind of double. The laces, the Nike check, the tongue, everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Should I rock them? Should I sell them? On the back right there, you can see it says Nike Sakai. Is that how you pronounce it? Sakai? Sassy. Saucy? But yeah, very fire kick. Yeah, so I gotta pack these back up because I gotta get going before the thrift opens. Gotta get there early. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I'm about to head to the thrift right now, so let's go. It's like 7:30 in the morning right now, so gotta pack these up, eat breakfast, and then go hit the thrift. Let's go! Peace. Starting the day off with a fire Cinnabon. The mini one though. Yeah. Yo, look at this. It's like a full rack of vintage Adidas shorts. All different colors. I'm like, yo, look, I wish these were all Nike. Oh my god. Yo, low key, I looked through the rack again and I found a pair of Nike shorts. $10. For sure scooping these. Hope they come out with more. Yes, sir. Look at that. Still got the tag too. Found this Keith Haring Uniqlo. Hold that. And a scarf. And then I found this vintage starter jersey. $10. Dodgers. It's got the embroidery right there. And then nothing else on it. It's pretty plain. Probably still gonna scoop $10. Vintage Nike shorts. Size large. Got the Nike on the upper. We'll see. Yo, what's good, guys? I have always wanted to stop by here. I never do. But there's a Ross actually on the way to the shop. So I'm just gonna pop in and see what shoes they got. You got the Champion sneakers. King of the Champ. Yo, what's good, guys? Decided to change into the t-shirt. It's a little hot, but I just got done cutting some. Turn off the music. Just got done cutting some hair. Had a beanie on. That's why my hair is looking extra crazy right now. Cannot wait to get a haircut. But yeah, I'm headed to. I look like a pineapple, bro. I'm headed to the thrift store right now. To Goodwill. I might hit one or two. I have a little break in between my clients right now, so I might just hit 2 Goodwills right now and then head back to the shop to cut hair. I made a couple sales today. I sold a pair of shoes and a t-shirt to some people who came in earlier. I was super busy just cutting hair, so I didn't have time to record it and pull out my camera. But it is on my IG, so follow me on Instagram if you want to see that. But yeah, let's get to the thrift store, pop into some Goodwills, and just hope we find some stuff. So let's roll. Alright, yeah, we at the Goodwill. Super windy right now. Look at all the Halloween decorations though. Let's get inside. Blue leg bake tote bag. Very subtle gorillas on there. You can't really see them too much. I don't even know how much they're asking for these. I low-key might scoop this stuff. Yo, what's good, guys? I'm actually still in the plaza right now where my shop is at. I'm walking to go get some food before my last cut. I decided I'm just gonna end this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Gotta get my hair did, but you already know slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? Let's go grub. Peace.